Living in a city, you can't escape being exposed to pollution, infections and diseases which adversely affect your body. Since our lungs inhale all kinds of pollutants, they get affected the most. This leads to respiratory problems like bronchitis, asthma, allergies and other pulmonary diseases. A weak immune system further causes fever, cough, cold, running nose and wheezing. Inhaling pollutants and coming in contact with bacteria is inevitable, but we can certainly protect and strengthen our lungs and body to fight them. Preserva Wellness Daily Strength Juice is a natural and healthy supplement that acts as a shield to protect our body against pollutants and disease-causing germs. Daily Strength contains aloe vera, tulsi and curcumin. Tulsi juice is a strong detoxifying, cleansing and purifying agent. It has antibacterial, antifungal, antipyretic, antioxidant, antiseptic and anti-cancer properties, which is what makes Daily Strength unique. Aloe vera has essential vitamins and minerals and has a cooling effect on the body. Curcumin from turmeric increases immunity, is a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Together, this wonderful combination helps our body defend itself against bacteria, virus and pollutants. Daily Strength Juice builds immunity and provides relief from common cold, fever, cough, blocked nasal passage, asthma and bronchitis. Daily Strength ensures a healthy respiratory and nasal tract by providing an increased quantity of oxygen to the lungs. As the name suggests, Daily Strength contains an optimum amount of minerals, vitamins and adaptogens to give you strength and stamina to work more efficiently daily. Breathe freely with Daily Strength Juice. Preserva, gold standard in modern Ayurveda.